This 2022 Grand Design Momentum 381M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, awning, oven, refrigerator, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, microwave, air conditioning, CO detector, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum 381M is 14,700 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.